head on over to the top left, click on File, scroll down to Show Settings folder. You'll see all the subfolders within the main OBS-studio folder. That's why we're going to click on Roaming. That way we have this folder as one item. Go ahead and right-click on it, scroll to Copy, find your preferred backup location, right-click, and paste. This effectively backs up everything. Your scene collection, all your user settings, your sources, your scene, the whole skit and skadoodle, all that in 30-something seconds when most of these pricks out here are taking in the upwards of a minute and a half before they even begin to show you this. I still have time to ramble on and flap my gums 100 miles an hour, and I'm still ahead of schedule. That's pretty much it. And obviously, if you want to restore, what you would do is load up a fresh copy of OBS. You would do the reverse. You would right-click on this folder and you would delete it. You would go to your backup, right-click, copy it, paste it in here, right? And you're good to go. There you have it. So as always, if this video helped you, it'd be greatly appreciated if you gave it a thumbs up. Helps the channel with the algorithm and making me more relevant in the search results when people are looking shit up online. And if you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. Not only will I crack it off in your ass, I will make sure that when you load up OBS the next time, I'm in the corner, live, and I'm just like, hey, Jim, how you doing? What do we got going on for breakfast? But if you want to subscribe to the channel, maybe we could work something out. Maybe I can disappear temporarily. But if not, I'm coming back. Oh, yeah. Anyways, take care. Maybe I'll see some of you in the next video. Bye for now.